everyone, welcome back to the Stay-at-Home Garden Lessons. Today I'm going to talk about how to grow plants in the shade in the summertime. See, some plants love the summer sun, like these flowers. But other plants don't really like that much heat. And so a way to grow those plants in the summertime is to grow them in the shade. Some of my plants prefer to be in the shade during the summer. I grow some things like lettuce and arugula and other plants that like to stay cool. So what I do is grow my garden in partial shade. So in the summertime, it gets some sunlight in the afternoon, but mostly it stays shaded because of this big tree. This helps me grow things that normally like cool weather last all summer long. I've got broccoli plants back here that did really well until about August. Now, this can be done with a tree for shade, or if you want to put a shade cloth over your garden at all times. There are different ways to create shade for your garden, and they all work. Maybe try out different ways to shade your garden and let us know what you think is best. I do love natural shade because I don't have to buy anything, and it keeps the ground and area cool. It helps with retaining moisture in the soil as well when you have the shade over these plants, so it makes my life a lot easier, and it gets me lettuce, broccoli, and arugula in the summertime. Let us know how growing in the shade does for you throughout the summer, and have a great day, and I hope you enjoy your gardening.